Good morning and welcome back to the Winery build series. Nice chilly morning out here. We're gonna tackle a little bit of pickup work prior to getting this roof on. After today, the next video you guys see will be the trusses getting installed. Hope you're ready for that. If you aren't already, hit that subscribe button down below and turn on post notifications by clicking the little bell icon to the right of it. So this is where helping out other trades comes into play. These guys need this headed out. We'll go ahead and take care of that right now. Along with one of these studs over here needs to cut and come down 4 foot. So we'll cut out here, we'll cut out there and box that out top and bottom. They can run their wires up through it and have their box. So we went up 1.5 inches from their marks, down 1.5 inches from their marks. That way when we put this in there, it works out perfect for their head out.
No, those are the good ones.
Quentin and I are gonna get these straps put on up here. Get the scissor lift out here right now. We also have this door to frame in right here. Hop in, me little skipper. Roof up. So word on the street is my pops just bought a new truck. I haven't seen it yet. I live about 45 minutes away from him, so I don't see him all that often unless we're working. We'll get to see it when he gets here. From what I was told, he bought a 2006 6.6 liter Duramax. So I've got Q and Fox up there throwing the last strap on. Now when we do pick up, there's a lot of different things we'll do. One, we'll make sure we have drywall backing, or in this case, it's just plywood on the inside of here. But as you can see, their chute would run over. It would have nothing to nail into right there. So we're gonna have to go and put a 2x6 right here where they have something to nail into all the way up and over there. Over in that corner as well. That corner and that corner are both done. She's a clean one.
Oh my god. Yeah, brand new rims. Looks good.
So right now it's looking like I'm gonna build a temp wall right up under here. That way we can remove all this crap right here. King stud up, door opening here. A little bit of framing on the outside of it as well. This is like doing a big load bearing wall. We'll carry the load up here with a beam, stud down, get all this out of here. So we got this wall shored up here, massive 4x8 up top SDS'd into the trusses. We've got some supports going underneath it down to a plate at the bottom. We are shored up. Now it's time to demo this, cut this whole entire thing out, reframe everything, get ourselves a door put back in, and then we're gonna have this cool little reveal framing going 2 feet around the outside of the door to finish off this wall. So we've got all this behind me demoed. We just have a little bit more to go. We're gonna get some king studs in here. King goes in there. King goes right in there. I have to take that header out still. From there, we'll frame in that door, do our little detail out here. So if you guys watched my vlog where my truck broke down, if you haven't, I card in the top right hand corner, you can. The ground out here is terrible. It rained for a good week or two and it destroyed it out here. It's a mud pit. We tried to talk the builder into getting someone out here to grade it, maybe putting some road base down, and they haven't been wanting to do that. Although it would be really nice and it would make it to where we could operate in here.
Get off your boot.
So just before we took lunch, you saw that we wrapped up most of the demo up here. We still need to take care of the rest of it. But first, what we're gonna do to prevent this whole thing from falling down, we're gonna go ahead and put our king studs in on that side and this side right over here. From there, we can demo out the rest, get our header dropped in there, frame that door in. So we got that all framed in. Super stoked to see that done. There's a little detail that goes whoop, up and around that door. So I need to try and get this lift over there to him. That is all we got going for today. Quite a bit of pickup, small work here and there. Got that monster door framed up, still have some more to go. We got the majority of our trusses moved around. We have a crane coming tomorrow morning. Get these things up in the air and set. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bang on.